queens, welcome back. Today we are trying another synthetic wig. I'm so excited about this one because look at these curls. Okay, so here's a look at the wig, you guys. I do want to let you know this wig and all the products that I'm going to be reviewing or talking about or using in this video will be in the description down below underneath the title. So jumping into the construction, this wig does have 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back. It does have a silky texture in my opinion. It does have or is a lace front wig, and the cap size on this, in my opinion, it fits well. So I started off by going in with my lace tint spray. Here's what the wig is looking like on me. Okay, it does have like a little bit of layering in it in my opinion, which I can really appreciate with a curly wig. I don't really like the hair all one length with a long curly wig like this, so the fact that it's already layered, I didn't have to put any scissors to it. So starting off with the pros, this wig is super easy in my opinion. It did not take a lot of work at all, and I think it's very beginner friendly. And another pro is these curls. The curls are so pretty on this wig straight out of the pack. Y'all saw how juicy and just like vibrant and moisturized they look. Okay, they don't look dry and all that. They look really good, and they did not get too big after I styled it as well, so love that. I do have a con for this wig, you guys, and I wish I would have put heat on the top of this wig like I normally do with a hot comb. For some reason I thought I had did it beforehand when I prepped the wig, because it has a little bit of humpiness, normal for like a synthetic wig, but it would have looked way better if I would have put heat on it, y'all. I didn't have a lot of issues with this wig. Like I said, it was very easy. Shedding and tangling, very minimal. I did not get much shedding at all, like just a little bit. And then tangling, I did not have major issues with tangling. I don't think this is difficult to style at all. Like I said, I think it's very beginner friendly, as long as you can cut the lace, do a little tinting, however you do it with spray or mousse or makeup, however. I think that this is pretty easy to style. It looks so good, you guys. It definitely exceeded my expectations. And this is the Wig Sensational Dashly Lace Unit 39. I have this in the color 2. I think that it looks more of a natural with that color 2, and it does come styled in the middle part. I think it looks great. But you guys, let me know what you think in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this style. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.